In July 2024, Bourns, a leading manufacturer and supplier of electronic components, introduced its next power transient voltage suppression diode. Bourns is now pleased to announce the Model PTVS1-240C-M. With the introduction of the Model PTVS1-240C-M, Bourns continues to set the standard for power transient voltage suppression diodes by decreasing the size and increasing the repetitive standoff voltage, offering a powerful, reliable, space-saving, and cost-effective product. The Model PTVS1-240C-M will be the latest product in our PTVS1KA product family. This device uses a high-voltage die, which will allow it to exist in a space-saving and cost-effective surface mount package. The Model PTVS1-240C-M will support a 240-volt repetitive standoff voltage and 1 kA peak surge current. The high-voltage die that the Model PTVS1-240C-M uses allows for a reduced count in the die stack, meaning fewer points of contact and fewer potential points of failure, providing a very reliable solution. The high-voltage die allows for the Model PTVS1-240C-M to occupy a compact surface mount die. This surface mount die has significantly less lead inductance than a typical through-hole solution, allowing for a tight clamping voltage. The surface mount die also affords better automation in production through the use of pick-and-place machines. Lastly, the Model PTVS1-240C-M is designed to have a stable breakdown voltage over temperature, with the device exceeding 70% of the 25 degrees C rated value at 125 degrees C. The Model PTVS1-240C-M also meets IEC 61000-4-5 standards and is UL recognized. Taking a quick look at the datasheet, the Model PTVS1-240C-M boasts a repetitive standoff voltage of 240 volts, the highest voltage available for a high-power TVS diode in a surface mount package. The peak current rating for the Model PTVS1-240C-M is 1 kA for an 8/20 microsecond surge pulse. The Model PTVS1-240C-M has a tight typical clamping voltage of 340 volts for a 1 kA 8/20 surge pulse, and exhibits a low typical capacitance of 1 nanofarad. The Model PTVS1-240C-M also boasts a small footprint, with a recommended pad layout of 13.72 mm by 18.31 mm. Let's take a closer look at how the Bourns Model PTVS1-240C-M high-power TVS diode stacks up against a sampling of benchmark competitor high-power TVS diodes based on datasheet values taken from competitor websites in the summer of 2024. As you will see, Bourns PTVS1-240C-M performs well when compared with competitors. Let's start by looking at the closest competitor's 240-volt products. Shown are some of the characteristics that are usually important to most design engineers when they're selecting a power TVS diode. Note that highlighted in green are the features in which a product is superior. The Model PTVS1-240C-M beats the competition in most of the relevant specifications. The Model PTVS1-240C-M boasts a significantly higher peak current rating, while also having a tighter clamping voltage compared to industry standards. It's worth noting that the Model PTVS1-240C-M datasheet shows the typical clamping voltage, while the competitor datasheet only shows the maximum clamping voltage. With exception of the operating junction temperature and the maximum standby current, Bourns Model PTVS1-240C-M power TVS diode is superior in most of the other important characteristics. The Model PTVS1-240C-M also has the advantage of being available in a surface mount package, a more compact and cost-effective solution compared to the through-hole solutions. Now let's look at the closest competitor's 1 kA products and the characteristics that are usually important to most design engineers when they're selecting a power TVS diode. Again, highlighted in green are the features in which a product is superior. The Model PTVS1-240C-M sits in a voltage space that the competition does not have. The Model PTVS1-240C-M has comparable specs in the operating junction temperature, temperature coefficient, maximum standby current, and 8/20 microsecond peak current rating. And as mentioned, the Model PTVS1-240C-M is available in a surface mount package, a more compact and cost-effective solution compared to the through-hole solutions. Which applications will benefit from the compact, cost-effective, and reliable Model PTVS1-240C-M? Systems with higher power often belong to critical applications. These systems require reliable and powerful solutions to ensure they don't fail. Bourns Model PTVS1-240C-M can provide power and a reliable solution for applications such as industrial power supplies and energy storage, variable frequency drivers, and traffic signaling. Along with the need for reliable protection for critical designs, power density is continually increasing. As a result, new designs need products capable of scaling with changing dimensional requirements, while also maintaining or improving capabilities. The Model PTVS1-240C-M can provide a compact solution here for applications such as uninterruptible power supplies, industrial power tools, and smart meters. To summarize what was discussed in this presentation, Bourns is releasing the latest product in our PTVS diode family, the Model PTVS1-240C-M. This 18.72mm by 14.6mm 240V 1 kA surface mount PTVS diode offers a tight clamping voltage and stable performance over temperature. This product meets IEC 61000-4-5 standards and is UL recognized. For more information on Bourns Model PTVS1-240C-M, additional resources are available through these helpful links.